Hello, this is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips. You don't need to have a computer with you to do a computer video. You just have to have the knowledge in your head. And, everybody's staying in on this whole Corona episode thing. So we have to be a little creative. Now, as far as computer goes, there are a few things that I do want to tell you that will help you with your computer. Number one is don't sit anything on top of the laptop when it's closed. I see people putting books on top of their laptop. That's a no-no because you can damage the screen that way. So please don't put anything on top of your laptop. Also, make sure your laptop's not getting very hot. If it is, get yourself a pad, a laptop pad, or listen for the fan moving in the laptop. If it's not moving, you may need to replace your laptop fan. The third thing is, be careful with your power cord. You don't stretch it because you can break the pin inside the laptop and then it won't charge anymore. And it will be expensive to repair. Watch some of my other videos and you'll learn a whole lot. I have over 500 videos at the moment, and they will certainly help you. So take care of your computer. This is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips. And if you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I am glad to see each and every one of you. And you guys mean a lot to me. And we have to be safe during this Corona whole episode. So take care of each other. Practice the 6 feet thing. Stay 6 feet apart. And wash your hands a lot. And wear a mask if you have one. And I'll talk to you later. So please subscribe. This is Mike. See you in the next video.